Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing well and being safe out there. Today's original video was supposed to be about the Logitech MX Master 3. Unfortunately, I cannot complete the review of this mouse because I'm having a bit of technical issues with the mouse. I really wanted Logitech to replace this so I can complete this review, but they are not replacing it. They are refusing to replace it for no reason why. So I'm going to show you guys the problem I'm having with this mouse. I've used this mouse for about a month. It worked flawlessly. I had no issues. It was awesome. I had the original MX Master. And that mouse was amazing at it as well. But the battery started to die and I had to charge it like every single day. So I got the new one, MX Master 3, which is a beautiful mouse. Battery life is insane. I think I only charged it once or twice since I owned it for like 2 months now. And it's got USB-C, a stellar mouse, and it helps me to be so much more productive when editing photos and videos and things like that. However, the scroll wheel developed an issue and Logitech is telling me, oh, it's normal. It's a normal sound. So I'm going to show you guys, and you guys tell me what you think. You think this is normal? You tell me, is that a normal sound? It shouldn't, because that's not how it sounded like when I took it out of the box. And just for reference, the mouse is not even turned on, so the software has no influence on the mouse right now. And yet, it's still making that really loud ratcheting noise. And it's not supposed to be that loud. My friend has an MX Master 3, his doesn't do that. I went to Staples, and Staples has the MX Master 3 on display. That also does not do it. But Logitech continues to state that this is a normal sound that the MX Master 3 makes. It's a bunch of BS. It's not true. There's something clearly wrong with my particular mouse here. Something probably got misaligned in the mag scroll wheel. To me, it sounds like the scroll wheel is hidden something on the bottom of the mouse, or wherever, somewhere's inside the mouse. It's hidden something and it's making that noise. Because when I flip it upside down, it doesn't do it. I'm going to show you guys that right now. So I'm going to scroll the mouse upside down. You can't hear it, right? I'll bring it closer to the microphone. And you can hear a little bit of noise, but it's nothing like it was before. But now, watch what happens when I scroll and flip the mouse back over. You tell me again, is that a normal sound for the MX Master 3? If you guys are watching this video and you also have the MX Master 3, please leave a comment below if yours sound like that. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it doesn't sound like that. I am incredibly disappointed with Logitech and the way they've been treating me dealing with this issue. It's been over a month dealing with them. And they continue saying, oh, it's just a software issue. It's a software. It's your settings in the software. It's normal, blah, 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 when clearly it's not. I've never really had issues with Logitech. I've always liked their products. And when an issue did arrive with one of their products, which is very few, by the way, Logitech always took care of me. They always took care of the problem. And years ago, I had a Logitech G25 racing wheel, and the motor crapped out. It was almost a year out of warranty, and Logitech replaced it, no questions asked. I missed that Logitech when they really supported their products. They believed in their products. They took care of their customers, but apparently that isn't their model anymore. So on the side of the box, can you guys tell me what that says? That says 1 year limited hardware warranty. What is the point of having warranty on the box if they're not going to honor it? All they got to do is send me an RMA and I'll be gladly to pay to ship it back, and they can either replace it or repair it. I don't care. But either way, they should honor their warranty. I'm not sure what else to say about it. I am just not very happy with Logitech. And until the day comes, if they do decide to replace this mouse, I'll be happy to make a full review of this wonderful mouse. Unfortunately, as of right now, I'm having a really hard time recommending anything from Logitech with the way their support is. They lost a lot of my trust, and I just can't recommend them right now. If they can sort this problem out I'm having with this mouse, maybe they might regain some of my trust back. But as of right now, I'm going to start looking for other alternatives out there instead of Logitech. So that's pretty much all I had for you guys today. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please share this particular video. It would really help me out a lot and to get the word out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Be safe out there.